ForwardX Robotics, Asia's largest vision-based AMR provider, deploy 98 AMRs at Chery Automobile's Kaifeng Factory final automobile assembly workshop. The deployment supports Chery Automobile's broader vision of fully automated automotive manufacturing and digital transformation in the smart mobility era. This milestone project enables full-scope intralogistics automation within Chery's automotive final assembly line, from parts warehousing and material delivery to sequencing, line-side replenishment, and the return of empty racks. With 83 Max AMRs, capable of lifting and transporting full and empty racks for automotive parts, and 15 Lynx AMRs, specialized for SPS operations and towing tasks tailored to complex automobile assembly environments. All AMRs are integrated with the factory's existing logistics execution system and PDA-based material call system to ensure seamless data flow across the automotive production workflow. AMRs deliver full racks of components to the line upon PDA-triggered requests and retrieve and return empty racks to designated sorting zones. Pre-sorted parts are transported to the appropriate stations for just-in-time assembly. Lynx AMRs bring empty racks to picking stations, return with loaded racks to the line, and repeat, creating a closed-loop replenishment system. Operating in parallel lanes, the AMRs support two-way traffic and dynamic task dispatching during peak production. In particular, Lynx AMRs optimized for narrow aisles and complex workflows ensures uninterrupted flow between picking stations and the assembly line, minimizing delays and maximizing uptime. Since going live, Chery Automobile's Kaifeng Factory has achieved measurable improvements in production response times, operational flexibility, and on-site safety. Following the landmark 2023 deployment at Chery Automobile's Super One factory, this Kaifeng project reinforces ForwardX Robotics' role as a trusted automation partner for the long term, with scalable, intelligent AMR solutions now supporting one of China's premier vehicle production lines. ForwardX continues to power the next generation of smart automotive factories and contributes to Chery's vision of global leadership in intelligent manufacturing.